Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a WRX clutch. First, ensure you have all the required tools and parts, including a new clutch kit and flywheel if needed. Safety is paramount, so properly secure your vehicle on jack stands. Remember to disconnect the battery's negative terminal and drain the transmission fluid before proceeding to the next steps. This preparation saves time and prevents issues. With the vehicle safely elevated, begin by removing the drive shaft, starter motor, and exhaust system to gain access. Next, disconnect any shifter linkages and all electrical connectors attached to the transmission. Support the engine, then unbolt the transmission from the engine block. With a transmission jack, carefully lower the transmission from the vehicle, ensuring it clears all obstacles. Once the transmission is out, unbolt the old pressure plate and remove the worn clutch disc. Inspect the flywheel for any signs of damage, hot spots, or deep grooves. Resurfacing or replacing it is often recommended. Install the new pilot bearing and throw-out bearing. Then, using an alignment tool, carefully install the new clutch disc and pressure plate, tightening bolts evenly to specification. Now, carefully raise and reinstall the transmission, ensuring it seats correctly onto the engine dowels. Reconnect all components you removed, including the starter, drive shaft, exhaust system, and all electrical connectors. Refill the transmission with the correct type and amount of fluid. Finally, bleed the clutch hydraulic system to remove any air, ensuring proper pedal feel and engagement before your first test drive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.